Look at the front end on this thing. Everyone is dropping 80 grand on bloated three-row SUVs right now, but Nissan just quietly revealed a $42,000 luxury yacht that completely ruins them. This is the all-new 2026 Nissan Elgrand, and it proves the VIP van is officially back. But there is a massive catch. Right now, this absolute masterpiece is completely forbidden fruit. Nissan is keeping this fourth-generation Elgrand locked down strictly for the Japanese market, and American buyers are practically begging them to reconsider. If you grew up riding around in a Nissan Quest, consider this its ultimate spiritual successor, leveled up in ways we didn't even know were possible. It is a genuine tragedy this isn't on US dealer lots yet, because underneath that wild, aggressive bodywork, the mechanicals are a total game changer. Let's talk about what actually makes it move. Nissan threw out the traditional thirsty V6 engine and dropped in their third-generation e-Power hybrid architecture. So you have a 1.5-liter turbocharged three-cylinder engine under the hood, but here is the wild part. That engine never actually spins the wheels. It acts strictly as a dedicated onboard generator, constantly feeding a massive electric drive unit. You get all the instant dead-silent torque of a full EV, but you just fuel it up at a gas pump in 3 minutes and never have to deal with charging anxiety. Add in Nissan's e-Force dual-motor all-wheel drive system, and this luxury cruiser stays completely planted, even if you are blasting through a blizzard. But let's be real, you buy a VIP van for the interior, and this cabin is on a completely different level. Step into the second row and you are basically inside a private jet. You get these massive, heavily bolstered zero-gravity captain's chairs featuring full power recline and extendable leg ottomans. It's a true first-class airline experience that puts modern family haulers to shame. Even the front passenger gets a power ottoman for those endless cross-country road trips. Up in the cockpit, the technology feels brilliantly modernized. The dashboard is dominated by a sweeping 14.3-inch dual digital display setup, and they paired it with an immersive 22-speaker Bose audio system. The attention to detail is crazy. They integrated traditional Japanese Kumiko-inspired wood trim and a fully customizable 64-color ambient lighting suite. You can even spec a wild purple interior if you want maximum JDM styling. On the outside, it totally ditches that boring, conservative soccer mom aesthetic. The geometric grille melting into a full-width LED light bar looks incredibly futuristic, and the two-tone paint finishes give it a high-end executive transport vibe. Based on Japanese market numbers, this kicks off around $42,500. For a luxury people mover packed with this much tech, that's an absolute steal. If Nissan finally brought this stateside to battle the Kia Carnival, would you take it over an SUV? Drop your take in the comments and hit that subscribe button for more exclusive looks at the craziest cars on Earth.